During your preparations for the hurricane season, prepare a disaster kit that is able to support the members of your household for a minimum of 7 days after the hurricane has passed. Ensure to include hand sanitizer, bar or liquid soap, 2 cloth face coverings for each person, disinfecting wipes, or general household cleaning supplies to disinfect surfaces. Additionally, necessities to include are water, batteries, flashlight, radio, medicine, non-perishable foods, and a baby supply kit for parents with infants or young children. Of course, always make sure you've taken care of the vulnerable and the elderly as well. For those whose homes are not yet storm or hurricane ready, you should make alternative housing arrangements to stay at family or friends. Please do not become complacent this hurricane season. It only takes one storm, as we well know. Follow the preparedness messages and advice on how to prepare for a storm or hurricane and learn more about hurricane hazards by visiting www.stmartingov.org/hurricane, where you will be able to download your very own hurricane season readiness guide and hurricane tracking chart. Careful preparation and remaining vigilant throughout the season makes a huge difference. Stay informed and follow official government information channels for instructions. Remember, it only takes one to make it a bad hurricane season. I appeal to everyone, including the business community, to make sure you are ready for the season. Start preparing now, and remember, we are a resilient people, we are a resilient nation, but we must individually and collectively strengthen our preparations against any disaster or crisis.